That was amazing. Now craving for a Porsche. Me too. Let's do this.
Stay inspired, stay curious, and I hope to see you next year.